Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Have you ever wondered which are the most expensive ever sold? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the top 15 most expensive NFTs ever sold. For those unfamiliar, NFTs or non-fungible tokens are blockchain tokens that offer a certificate of ownership. They're one of a kind. That's why they're non-fungible. But keep in mind that we rounded off all amounts and the price fluctuates depending on the current price of ETH or Ethereum's cryptocurrency. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 15. NFT Digital House, $1,000 plus. Krista Kim, a contemporary artist, sold an NFT minted digital house called Mars House for 288 ETH. Doing the math, it works out to around $500,000. According to Kim, Mars House is a part of her vision of incorporating augmented reality in the world. She added that people now express themselves with digital assets, decorative pieces, and collectible fashion accessories. Number 14. CRYPTOPUNK number 2681. $560,000. This NFT is only the first of many CryptoPunk's collection included in the list. This artwork combines art technology, absurdity, and social experimentation reminiscent of Andy Warhol and other pop artists of history. Currently, there are only 10,000 CryptoPunks available. Again, we have more of these coming up, so we'll go into more details as to why these characters are so popular as we go along. This CryptoPunk 2681, purchased on the 19th of February 2021, had a value of around $2,000 per ETH. Number 13. Nyan Cat, $590,000. We've all seen this cat a million times, and now the artist almost gains $600,000 from it. As crazy as it sounds, this is becoming the norm in this beautiful world of NFTs. Remember the first time you saw this YouTube video? In 2011, the Nyan Cat was number 5 on the most viewed YouTube videos list. Nyan Cat has been flying across the web for 11 years, and now the creator Chris Torres is probably swimming in money. Torres was shocked at how well the auction of his artwork went online, and within 24 hours, the bidding went from $1,500 to $590. Chris Torres was shocked at the auction's success and proud that he opened the door to a whole new meme economy in the crypto world. Number 12. HASHMASK number 6718. $603,000. This digital artwork was sold last March 2021 for $2,010 per ETH. There are a total of 16,384 unique hash masks brought to you by a Swiss digital art company. The masks have been created by over 70 artists globally. The unique quality about HASHMASK is you're bidding blind, meaning you don't actually see the artwork during the auction. So, you can only see what you purchased once you received it. Another thing is that you can name your HASHMASK anything you want, as all artworks have no name initially. And this name is official. Mind you, as a name-changing token or NFT makes this possible. So in a way, you are not just the owner but a contributor to that artwork. Number 11. Genesis, around $608,000. Trevor Jones and Jose Delbo created this collaborative piece. Some of you may know Delbo as he's made quite a name for himself in the comic world with Wonder Woman, Billy the Kid, The Transformers, and Beatles' Yellow Submarine comic. Jones, too, has been drawing significant attention to his work by incorporating technology into his artwork. Number 10. CRYPTOPUNK 2140. $804,000. Number 2140 is the second CryptoPunk on this list. The image features a pixelated ape with small shades and a knitted cap and belongs to the address gruner.eth, which owns 3 punks in total. Matt Hall, and John Watkinson are the guys behind CryptoPunk. And aside from it, they also started Autoglyphs, the first on-chain generative art on the Ethereum blockchain. Can you believe that they gave away these CryptoPunks for free when it first came out in 2017? Anyone with an Ethereum wallet was eligible to own it. CryptoPunks consist of different characters, and some of our rarer types are the apes, of which there are 24. Zombie types only have 88, and aliens only have 9. Number 9. HASHMASK number 9939, $844,000. Since purchase, HASHMASK can be named by the owner anything. The owner of the HASHMASK 9939 called the artwork sex, for a reason no one knows. It's a neat idea. Imagine if Leonardo da Vinci or Pablo Picasso did this back in the day, we might know Mona Lisa is a different name. As the HASHMASK website explains, it encourages the consumer or collective consumer to project the representation of value into the artwork. Number 8. CryptoPunk 6487, $1.1 million. One of the least CryptoPunk types is the female punks, as Larva Labs created 3,840 of them. But one of them sold for $1.1 million. So it's very unpredictable which artwork will sell for $1 million and which will sell for $1,000. It really depends on the buyer, I guess. Currently, the most affordable punk is $4,500 or 22.3 ETH. If you're thinking of buying, this is what you need to look out for. Claimed punks have a blue background. Available punks have a red background. And punks with a purple background have an active bid on them. Number 7. CryptoPunk 2890, $1.2 million. Remember the 9 CryptoPunk aliens we told about earlier? Well, this is one of them. Just to remind you, NFT purchases are cryptographically guaranteed scarcity. It's a somewhat complicated topic, but that's a normal reaction. Every time something this incredible comes along, things seemed complicated and confusing initially. But don't be scared. With a bit of research and understanding, you will soon have a good grasp of this concept. Number 6. CryptoPunk 4156, $1.3 million. Our 6th also came from the CryptoPunk collection, and it's another one of those ape types. Larva Labs sold it for 650 Ethereum, or roughly $1.3 million. It's incredible to think that although this art is digital, an exhibition took place in Switzerland in 2019 for CryptoPunks. Perfect and priceless value systems on the blockchain was the exhibition's name, and Swiss curator and digital art expert George Beck invited one of the CryptoPunks founders, John Watkinson. He famously said that he's nervous and signing 12 of his CryptoPunks, as he never signed a piece of art in his life or even considered himself an artist. Number 5. CryptoPunk number 6965, $1.6 million. It is yet another CryptoPunk ape for number 5. Number 6 and number 5 are not that different either. To give you a little more background, each CryptoPunks are 24 by 24 pixels in size. The inspiration came from the early 90s cypherpunks movement founded by Timothy C. May and John Gilmore. Jude Milhan introduced the term cypherpunks and became part of the Oxford Dictionary in 2006. Number 4. Jack Dorsey's first tweet. Latest bid, $2.5 million. For those of you who don't know, Jack Dorsey is the founder and former CEO of Twitter. So this tweet is a pretty big deal. It's currently on Valuables, which is an NFT auction site, and the current offer goes upwards of $2.5 million. Once sold, the proceeds will be converted to Bitcoin and donated to charity. The lucky owner will receive a digital certificate of the tweet. Number 3. CryptoPunk number 7804, $7.5 million. We go back to CryptoPunks for a third. This one is of the alien type, which is so rare. Small shades, a pipe, and a forward-facing cap are the specs of the alien CryptoPunk. This teal-colored punk set a record for the highest amount paid for a punk. Number 2. CryptoPunk number 3100. $7.6 million. And for our last CryptoPunks on this list, and it's another teal-colored alien type. It only makes sense since there are only 9 of these types. Larva Labs sold this on March 11, 2021 for $7.6 million. It certainly came a long way since July 2017, number 3100 went for a paltry 8 Ethereum or just over $2,000. One of the many attractive features of NFTs is that it gives the power back to the people in deciding what value to provide an NFT. As long as someone is willing to pay $7.6 million to something, then it's a deal. There are no middlemen like galleries and auction houses. It truly opened up a whole new world for artists and buyers. Number 1. Everydays. The First 5,000 Days artwork by Beeple. $69.4 million. And for our number 1, we have this incredible piece of art that has made headlines globally as it sold for $69.4 million. Mike Winkleman aka Beeple famously reacted to the price during the bidding. When the price went to $27 million, you can listen to him say, "What the?" Well, you can only imagine his reaction when it finally sold at $69.4 million. So that's our list for today. We hope you enjoyed this one. What's your favorite NFT artwork? And do you think that we have a new type of art movement in front of us? Well, let me know in the comment section below. Join us again next time here in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips in achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.